What's up, everyone? This is Pao J, and this is the box break for the 2012 Bowman Chrome. And here's our time. It is now 11:49 Pacific time, and here's our list. And here's our sealed box right here. Alright, good luck, everyone. Hope we get something good in this box. And here's our empty box. Alright, first pack, guys. All-Star Future Games, Jae Hoon Ha, Starlin Rodriguez, Jamal Austin, and Neftali Feliz. Matt Garza, William Beckwith, Rob Rasmussen, Jaime Garcia. Xavier Avery, Nate Jones, Refractor, Wander Ramos, Brian Humphreys, oh, we got blue out of 250, Alex Gordon for the Royals, Julio Concepcion, Bobby Bundy, and Craig Kimbrell. Devin Mesoraco. Oh, a nice Legends in the Making, Buster Posey for the Giants. Jordan Shippers and Juan Lagares. Chris Young, Roberto De La Cruz, Willie Garcia, and Jamal Weeks. Andrew McCutcheon, Narciso Mesa, Daniel Paulini, and Andrelton Simmons. We have Mike Napoli, franchise All-Stars, Carlos Beltran, and Oscar Taveras. So this is gonna go to the Cardinals. Eduardo Rodriguez, Nate Jones. Oh yeah, purple David Wright for the Mets out of 199. That's weird though, because they're on the top of the pack. Usually they're like on the second or third. Kevin Chapman, Ruben Alanis, and Kurt Nieuwenhuis. Desmond Jennings, Michael Franco, Tyler Kelly, and Carlos Santana. Felix Hernandez, refractor. Juaner Aguavivas, Tyler Ratmatula, and Jeremy Hellickson. Ben Sobrest, Guillermo Pimentel, Joel Caminero, and Liam Hendricks. Freddie Freeman, Josh Beckett, refractor. Red Sox, John Taylor, and Felipe Rivero. Billy Butler, and our auto is Shawan Dunston Jr. I think this is a good hit. It's not numbered, but still a nice hit for the Cubs. Derek Christensen and Lucas Duda. I think that autograph sells really well on eBay. All-Star franchise, Asdrubal Cabrera, and Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Cameron Saitzer, Kyle Hendricks, and Wade Miley. Roy Halladay, Alan Hansen, Daniel Santana, and Ilian Herrera. Hopefully we get a second auto. Hopefully. Buster Posey, Michael Pineda, refractor. Christian Bergman, and another Shawan Dunston Jr. base. Last pack. Brandon Beachy, Camden Marin, Carlos Valenzuela, and Michael Morse. And let me just show you our hits here. Our auto is a Shawan Dunston for the Cubs. Congrats to Brian. This is our Legends in the Making. And we got two colored cards here. David Wright out of 199, and Alex Gordon that is out of 250. And as always, thanks for joining my box break, guys. I hope you check out my eBay page for my upcoming box breaks, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.